Before installing the Hubbell Tri-Power Pop-Up Countertop Receptacle, there are many different components that will be used throughout the installation. This includes the instructions, housing, base, countertop flange, receptacle cover, locking nut, installation screws, and the silicone color kit. The Tri-Power Pop-Up Countertop Receptacles come in 7 different finishes. Determine the location on the countertop where you would like the receptacle to be placed. The countertop to be used should be smooth and clean, with no irregularities to create the best gasket seal. Remove the base from the housing to expose screw terminals. Before handling the cable, make sure the circuit is off. Feed the cable through the lock nut under the countertop, as this will secure the device later. Carefully knock out the poke-through. Fasten the metal jacket to the device base. A fitting will be required. Strip conductors to the correct length as shown on the device. Ground the base by bonding the green or bare wire to the green grounding screw. Terminate the white or gray wire to the white screw marked white and black or red wire to the brass screw marked hot. Reattach the base to the housing and secure with screws. Select the finish color that you want to use and attach it. Insert the device into the countertop opening. Hand tighten the lock nut to secure the device in place. You can now terminate the device to the power source. Expose the 3M adhesive and secure the receptacle flange on the top of the device. Peel off the protective film. Restore power to the circuit. Congratulations! Your device is ready for use. For wireless charging compatible devices, simply place the device on top on the unit. Press down on the unit to reveal the power receptacles, offering flexibility for your 120V products. Press again to close and return to the seamless appearance. The Tri-Power Countertop Pop-Up. Power where you need it, when you need it.